Hi guys, and welcome to the reveal for the August journaling bundle. Yep, I got it out this time. I can't tell you how many times I had to restart this video because it was like a tongue twister to me. Anyway, here we have everything that is coming in the new journaling bundle. So I've completely redone these. I hope you guys like it. As always, they will still come inside of your protective case, so you can carry them around, store them however you want to do it. 2 washies, a pen, a vinyl, an A5 size, these are now A5 size dot grid journal, and 10-page kit and vellum. So that is everything that comes in the kits now. It's been completely redone. I hope you guys like it. I will roll out the washi for you and kind of go over all the things, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you can expect in these kits from now on. So anyway, the 2 washis are fantastic. You've got a really pretty fall colored plaid, and then you've got this one here. I have them all rolled out for you, so I'll show you in a second. And sorry, it probably just got like really fuzzy for a second. My camera does not like to readjust, but here they are all rolled out. Let's see if I can get it to readjust now where you can see it. Hopefully. Let me just do this. There. Okay, so hopefully you can see that really well. Colors are fantastic, perfect for fall. Absolutely love, love, love the washi. Mild liner. This one is a brown, so it's not anything exciting as far as colors are concerned, but this is a really good color to go with all of your fall. So any of your fall spreads, if you use a highlighter of any type, this is perfect. You've got your chisel end on one end, and then you've got your pointed end on the other. So you've got the brown mild liner. Then this month I've added something new, and I'm going to continue doing it if you guys like it, but this is a vinyl. And oh, hang on. I just have to keep refocusing, and I'm sorry. It's just the camera does not like that change in focus. So when I'm showing you something close up like this, I have to change it. But here it is. This is a vinyl. You just peel off the back. It is not waterproof, but it is water resistant. How's that? So anyway, I haven't tested it out like in a dishwasher, but I have tested it out in just regular sink with water on a water bottle, and it was fine. It worked fine. Journal. How stinking beautiful is this? It is so pretty. It just makes me want fall so badly. This whole kit is called Autumn Rain, and your A5 journal is just beautiful. It has that soft touch cover. Absolutely, like I could sit here and touch this all day. It's so soft. And then you've got your dot grid on the inside. Same number of pages as before. So there's 50 double-sided, so 100 pages. And so there's your journal. Then let's do the vellum. So the vellum this month, did a terrible job cutting it because, you know, it's vellum. You have to trim it up a little, but here it is. And it's got like this floral pattern, and it's got like this beautiful, like almost like a mustardy brown. It's really pretty fall vellum. So there's your vellum sheet. And then we'll get into the kit. Let's get into the meat and bones of this thing. So I have completely redesigned this kit. I really, 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 really wanted something that I thought you guys could use, that you guys would like, and I just absolutely love this. I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect right now. 10 pages. You get 10 pages. Page 1 is a mini kit. Well, 1 through 4 are mini kit. So I went back to the mini kit because a lot of people use these where they'll divide it up into weeks, and I kind of been asking people that use the journals all the time, and they definitely do weeks in here, and they do like a monthly overview and then a weekly overview, and then their pages, they kind of split them up into dailies. So I tried to accommodate that with this kit. So just keep that in mind as what I was thinking when I designed this. Okay. Mini kit. So you've got all of your 8 full boxes. You can also use the mini kit in your planner too if you don't want to use it in here. Your second page with all of your date covers and your washis. Page 3, this is standard mini kit. And your page 4. So the first 4 pages are mini kit. Then page 5 this is a kiss cut, so you can use this to decorate daily pages. I did lots and lots of these, recolored everything to cover the kit to match the kit. So you've got a lot of these little extras down here, cozy season, the fall vibes. Flannels, hayride, pumpkin sweaters, bonfires, all fall themed. Just love this kit so much. And then I gave you layering page, so you've got lots of different elements on here for layering. And then you've got a page with more of the deco and the quotes, but then I gave you a lot of tracking devices here. So you've got all kinds of different things, all blank, put whatever you want in them, layer them on top of the other stuff, and then fill them in with whatever you like. I think this is really, really fun for the pages that you pick out to do any of your tracking. So, and then there's like, this one's good for books and movies. It's got the little star rating down there. Good place to track your books for the month or your chapters in whatever book you're reading for the month. And then this page is kind of more like functional fun stuff. So I gave you some doodle boxes, some little extra spaces to like write stuff. I gave you some tabs. So if you want to tab up your journal, easy to find where you want to go. This fun little ticket thing, and then some washi strips. And then this one is the self-care page. So if you do a self-care journal, this is great for self-care page. So all of these are all kiss cut. So you can do all of your little positive affirmations. Like these are all your eat healthy, drink water, work hard, stay strong, all that kind of stuff. Just breathe. This is also kiss cut. So you can put it right at the top of your page. Got a beautiful deco on here so that you've got all that. Be kind to your mind. Oh, and then the morning, afternoon, and evening routine. I thought those were really perfect for a self-care page. And then the last page, this is also sticker kiss cut. And I'll show you where it's cut to so you can see right to the edge of the artwork. And then this is, I thought that this would be good. You could just pull this whole thing off, put it on a page, and you've got your journaling prompts for the entire month. So you've got all the journaling prompts up here. Back to school checklist, self-care for the month, end of the summer recap, August goals, currently watching, summer projects we finished, August reading list, 3-minute brain dump, gratitude list, and my favorite new movie. So I thought those were all really fun journaling prompts for the month of August. You can also, because these are not specific to any month, there's nothing in here that says August anywhere. You can use this anytime you want. So it doesn't have to be for August. If you're still in summer mode or you live in a place where it's really hot and you're not even into August yet, you can totally like push this off to September. You can do this whenever you want. So, whew, I can't breathe. That was a lot of talking. Sorry. I probably just ran through this super, super fast. I don't know why I was talking so fast, but hopefully I have totally redone this and it is something that you guys will like. So I really, really, really would like to hear down in the comments down below if this is something that you like, if you're excited about this. One other little housekeeping thing. I did scale way back on the quantity of journals that I ordered and pens that I ordered and washi that I ordered, because I know it's summertime and not a lot of people are doing a lot of journaling and planning and stuff. So it's like the slowest time of the year for planner people, for planner shops. And I have a lot of overstock and I can't keep putting everything on clearance because I'm basically giving it away for what, not making any money on the clearance stuff. I can't keep doing that. So what I needed to do is scale way back. If this is something that you really, really love and it sells out, please message me. I can always order more of these things. It's just that it won't come in until September. So this wouldn't be available as a restock item until September. But if it's something that you really, really want and it sells out, because already right off the top, there's like 4 of them already gone before they even hit the shelf. So, and I didn't really take that into consideration when I ordered the number of journals. It doesn't take a ton of time for the journals to come in, but it does take about, I'd say about 3 weeks. So if I order more of the journals and the pens, I would say probably if this sells out right away, you will probably have to wait until mid to the end of September to get it into restock. So anyways, just let me know in the comments down below or message me or wherever you want to get a hold of me to let me know that this is something that you really want, that you like it, don't like it, what kinds of things you want to see, what kinds of things you don't like about it. Just let me know, because I really, really want to tailor these towards what you guys like. And then if you guys don't like them and you don't want to do it anymore, I will discontinue the whole line at the end of the year. So I'll just get through the stock that I have and then we'll be done. But it's really important to me to know if this is something you guys still want, like if this is something you guys really like. So anyway, that is all my housekeeping notes. This will be available August 1st on the website. Like I said, limited quantity this time. You will have to kind of order them fast if you want them. And I do apologize for that. I will try to get better at ordering more if it's something that you guys really want. Anyway, enough. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.